First of all, I want you to step just a little bit. There we go. Don't get my light, my friend.
The lens cap's off this time? Yeah, all right, let's roll it. Hi, I'm Jack Businessman, and this here is Dr. Loretta Applebottom.
Actually, it's Dr. Applebeton. It's French.
Weird.
One at every party. Chicks that can't hold their liquor.
I could drink you under the table, my friend.
Keep spelling them, won't be nothing left.
But to train hard, I had to learn about nutrition to keep my body at peak condition.
Get up!
Yeah, it's actually Superman. Like soup. You see, every time I keep my mouth closed for more than a second, it fills up with hot, hot mouth soup. My life is a waking nightmare. I mean, I can't even go to sleep at night without having someone keep my mouth pried open at all times, lest I drown myself in my own hot, hot mouth soup.
They keep you alive. Do you know what a privilege that is?
How was that? Was that good? Did that work?
You know, I've seen better.
Yeah, what do you know?